Welcome back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video, we're going to talk about the classical proof of the Pythagoras Theorem which states that the a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where c squared is the hypotenuse or the side that is just the opposite of the right angle. So let's try and prove this formula. First of all, I would like to say that this proof is not from me. So this proof is not from me, so I'll not sign myself. It's like a classical proof which is known from college, from school, from secondary school, and so on. So I hope everybody is already recognizing this proof. So the proof goes as follows. We're going to construct a triangle, like a right triangle, with side lengths a and b, where b is bigger than a. So let b bigger than a. It doesn't really matter for this case, but let's just let b equal to b bigger than a. So C will just connect those two endpoints. Now the next thing I'm going to do is a very smart move. I'm going to take the side length b and connect it over here, so that we have the length b plus a in when we all sum it up. And for the length a, we're just going to take the length a and put it here like this. I think it's okay. And then we're going to connect them both like this. So this will also be the side length c. The same we're also going to do for the other triangles. So we're going to have one over here. I think b has 4 units, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And a has 3 units. So let me just scroll a bit up so that you can see. This is going to be b, this is going to be a, so this is going to be c, and the last one is going to be this one. Let me pick another color, for example green, so that we'll get a nice triangle over here. So b and a. Now since we have this one, we can calculate the whole area in two different types. So we can calculate the whole area as just a square, but we can also calculate the whole area as two components. So we have this component, which is a square of c, the side length c's, and we can also just put them together. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 triangles. Now the first one we're just going to take, let's write the Roman numeral number 1, which states that the whole area is just equal to the length of the square, so a plus b times a plus b, so a plus b squared. Now the second one just states that the area is equal to the square, which is c squared, plus 4 times the formula of a right triangle. The formula of a right triangle as an area is 1/2 times base times height. Let's take this triangle for instance, 1/2 times a times b. Now the 1/2 and the 4 will cancel. The 4 will go to 2 and the 2 goes into 1. So we will get that we can equal them each other. So 1 is equal to 2, which means that a plus b square is equal to c square plus 2ab. Now what is a plus b square? A plus b square is the same thing as the first binomial theorem, stating that a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now I'm going to do another proof on the binomial theorem in a couple of weeks. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to c square plus 2ab. Now what do you see? We see 2ab on both sides, so we can subtract 2ab on both sides, and then we have that c square is equal to a square plus b square. So now we have proven this formula. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and follow, and we'll see us in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya!